Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the How to Kill a Kit with Style Oldie But Goodie Hop. We decided to just do a hop kind of to bring awareness of how to kill a kit with style. I haven't played necessarily with how to kill a kit with style for a few months now, but I love it. I'm still a member, and it's showing how you can literally, you create a kit in the beginning of the month and then you use it all up. And in the beginning of the year, we're gonna start, and you're gonna see a bunch of us monthly. We're gonna have themed kits that have a common theme, so we're all working with something that makes sense. So what I did is, since this theme is kind of an oldie but goodie hop, I went through my stash and tried to find some of my oldest kits that I have, because I have a lot of old scrap room kits. When I was a subscriber back in like 2010, 9, 12 to I think 14 might have been the last year I did it. And I did find I have a lot of 2014, because I have been trying to use my stash up, but I did find this Pebbles collection from 2012, and this is called Family Ties. So I'm really plugging away at my 2014 photo album of my son. I finished his baby birth album, so 2013 is done, so I'm really plugging away at 2014, working my way through the months. I think I have January through pretty much March done. I think this is one of the last March photos I have. So it's just him in his bumble seat. Just you take lots of pictures of your children, and it's nice to kind of see, I think later looking back, oh, look at, you use this bumble seat, this is what we used it for, that kind of thing. So we've got Pebbles Family Ties, all the scrap room kits still, and they're very consistent, come with 3 pattern papers, some cardstock, and some embellishments. So this is Family Ties. This one's called Daughter, but I love the blues and greens in here, and they just match perfectly all the blues, greens, and yellows that are like in our play stuff that we had for my son when he was little. This one's called Father. Another beautiful floral. I got 2 pieces of this light blue cardstock. Couldn't tell you what that was called now, but, and then this one's called Mother. Fun! That's got all the family names. Okay. I should say family titles. And then I got some cut-aparts back when they had the perforated. And another one, top 10 things I love about mom. Oh, but it's fun wood grain on the back. So I could have 2 4x cards, or I have that. I've got some ribbon, and we've got tons of buttons, and it looks like some chipboard. What's this say? We are family. And then I've got a little house, a tree, oh cute, a flower, and some buttons. Okay, I think we're gonna be using some of that. And of course, I'm going to dig in my stash and see what else I got. This kind of looks like it would go really well with some wood veneer, and I have some wood veneer color cast designs titles I got recently, so maybe we'll dig some of those out. But let me trim down my photo and kind of start figuring out what kind of layout. I might just do an oldie but goodie layout, just kind of a basic design as well, just trying to keep with the theme. So I'm going to cut some papers down and we'll check back in. All right, so far this is what I've done with the paper. So I took the striped piece that was also this beautiful floral, and I cut a 2-inch strip and a 1-inch strip. I turned my photo down, matted it in white first, and then just cut around, let's see, yep, 5-inch, because this is like 4 and something, must be 4 1/4, I think, photo, and then tore it, and then used the branding strip and just put a little tab there. And then I'm using these 2 like pocket card cutout thingies that they gave, and I thought that would be kind of cool to just, but then I want a little pop of yellow over here, but there's enough, I think, tucked behind here that I can put it out here, and I'll have that pop of yellow that I'm looking for. So I'm going to glue these pieces down, and then I found this is from Color Cast Designs. I got it recently, I want to say in October, one of their newer releases, and I just really really like it, and I thought it looked really nice, especially on this dark brown. But then I took the ribbon, and I'm just going to, I don't know if I want to do it in the center or off kilter. I think off kilter. I'm going to put a bow right there, and then hopefully I can just journal right here about the bumble seat. That's my plan. But I really like that. It's really fun. So I'm going to glue those things down and see if I can get that extra yellow. Otherwise, I will just get more of this branding strip and tuck that here. Or there is a chunk. There is that other paper that is a yellow pattern as well that I could just tuck under there as well. So let me do a little futzing, and then we'll, and gluing, and then I'll decide that. All right, so as I was gluing this stuff down, I was able to get the excess off the back of here and tuck it in there, which worked perfect, just to add a little bit yellow over there. I grabbed this little glassine bag. It's been in my stash for who knows how long. Tucked that behind. Used the flower chipboard, the house, and then the other flower. And then I was like, enamel dots, of course. So I'm going to go ahead, and How to Kill a Kit with Style is all about using stuff up. So we're going to use up a bunch of these. You guys can watch me struggle putting them on with these nails. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to go down. And I figured I put this flower down farther, and I could add enamel dots to kind of stretch that area. And then I would do these ones because they're very close to that color. And now I'm just going to journal a bit about the bumble seat. So that is what I have for you guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you check out the playlist and the list of people hopping along for How to Kill a Kit with Style. We appreciate you all. And if you haven't liked or subscribed to any of the people on the list yet, go ahead and do so. It helps us out. It really helps us out. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time.